Welcome back to another jaw-dropping day in the courtroom. Today we're diving into a case straight from the city of Detroit, where things take a sharp turn from calm legal procedure to tension you could cut with a knife. Our defendant is facing the judge in a plea hearing where every single word counts. Notice how the judge starts by confirming the defendant understands his rights. This is not just a formality, folks. If he says yes, it means he's knowingly giving up those rights in exchange for a deal. But watch closely. The mood shifts quickly. We'll see moments where the defendant's attention drifts. And trust me, in a courtroom, that's like waving a red flag in front of a bull. The judge has zero tolerance for disrespect or distraction, and one slip-up could send this man straight to the back of the line. Or worse. Keep your eyes on the back and forth because the judge's patience is about to wear thin, and that's when things start to heat up. Who's really in control here? The defendant, the deal, or the court itself? Let's find out.
Listen, Ms. Gordon, you have to unmute yourself. You have to turn your camera on. All right, Ms. Gordon, next time you come to court, you got to be a little bit more covered up than that, all right? You understand me, ma'am?
Yes, sir.
All right. What about the deal you said? What was that, Mr. Berry?
Improper plates for one of the insurance charges and limited access 1 to 5 for the speeding ticket.
So it's already improper plates as charged. You want to take the deal?
Yes.
Raise your right hand, please. Do you swear or affirm to tell the truth, whole truth, nothing but the truth?
Yep.
Is that a yes, ma'am, or?
Yes.
All right, you can put your hand down. Do you understand the maximum possible penalty for this offense is 93 days in jail and or $500 in fines?
Yes.
Do you understand that you have an absolute right to a trial?
Yes.
Mr. Berry went over here. Listen. You're gonna have to stand still.
I was trying to go somewhere quieter. I'm sorry.
All right.
And here it is. The exact moment where everything sours. The judge is asking a very straightforward question. Was the defendant operating the vehicle or not? But instead of a clear yes or no, we get hesitation, confusion, and an almost casual attitude. That is a huge courtroom mistake. Judges expect clarity and respect, not vague answers. And then, boom, the judge lays down the warning. Sit still, pay attention, or get sent to the back of the line. In courtroom terms, that's like being benched in the middle of the game. For the defendant, it's not just about pride. It's about time, credibility, and how seriously the court views his case. Audience, what do you think? Was the judge being too harsh? Or was this just the natural consequence of not taking the process seriously? Drop your thoughts below, because this exchange is exactly why so many plea deals go sideways before they're even finalized.
Mr. Berry went over your other advice or rights in the breakout room, did he not?
Yes.
You understood those rights?
Yes, sir.
Do you have any questions about those rights?
No, sir.
Do you know by taking this deal, you're going to give those rights up?
Yeah.
Has anybody offered you anything other than what's been stated in the record?
No.
Let me draw your attention back to May the 9th, 2025, around 10:50 a.m. in the city of Detroit, in the area of Hubble and Eaton. Did you have an occasion on that day to come encounter with the Detroit Police Department?
Yep, I believe so. Yes.
Not whether you believe so or not.
Yes, I did. Yes.
You operating a motor vehicle, ma'am?
Am I operating it? No, I'm just sitting in here now.
I said, were you operating? Listen, if you don't sit still and pay attention, then you're going to get put back to the end of the line, okay?
Because I didn't understand what you said. I said, I'm not
No,
operating
because you don't
the vehicle right
understand what I'm
now.
saying. All right, pass the matter. I'm tired. All right, let's go back. Let's go to somebody that wants to pay attention and wants to get out of here and wants to really pay attention. Is Darren Graham here?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. I'm here.
And just like that, we're officially in the case of City of Detroit. versus Darren Derell. What started as a seemingly straightforward rights confirmation quickly turned into a tense exchange, with the judge making it crystal clear that courtroom discipline is non-negotiable. This case reminds us that no matter how minor you think your role is in court, your attitude, attention, and answers can drastically impact the outcome. Whether Darren's day in court ends in a favorable plea deal or spirals into further trouble will depend on how well he regains the judge's trust from here. If you found this case as intense as we did, make sure to hit that like button, share your thoughts in the comments, and don't forget to subscribe for more jaw-dropping courtroom breakdowns. Until next time, stay sharp, because in court, every second counts.